30% longer life. Thanks to the large capacity filter technology, more dust and debris can be captured, which means that the PHILTOP air filter can last longer and avoid frequent replacement under normal driving conditions. Install in 5 minutes. OE design for install directly. No special tools and modifications required. Install it yourself instead of going to the dealer, save a lot of labor costs. Compatible list. Replacement for Camry Hybrid, 2007-11, Camry, 2002-06, Highlander Gas, 2001-13, Sienna, 2004-10, Solara, 2004-08, ES300, 2002-03, ES330, 2004-06, RX330, 2004-06, RX350, 2007-09. Suggest replace with PHILTOP EAF007, CF10285, cabin air filter. Top reviews from the United States. Pay attention, one corner is different. Installed in 2005 Lexus RX 330. The product itself is good and appears to be an exact match to the OEM product. The installation difficulty isn't related to the product but more to the design of the air filter housing location. Pay attention to the corners of the filter. One is square and needs to go in a specific location. The other 3 corners are rounded.